Today we're doing an SMR, and these plants will be our food, right, buddy? Hey, buddy.
Yay! I'm a bird.
Oh, not a bird. You're a little.
Look, I'm gonna fly.
Fell down. Huh? How do you do that?
Wow!
Okay, let's eat now. First, we will eat this kind of thing.
Wow, I'm getting
What
these.
bro? Oh, I said the other one.
Oh, the
I
other
should
one.
color the part. Okay. Okay, let's start.
It's too hard to get these corns. Stop eating me. You're eating me.
It's so delicious. I like corn. I love corn so much. Yum, yum. Corn makes your muscle grow stronger, right? Okay, kids, eat that of corn. Okay.
I'm a bird.
Oh, not a bird.
Why? I'm a bird. You can see I'm fly. Hey, this is my nose. This is my nose. This is my nose. This is my nose. This is my nose.
Bird. It tastes good. Next
You
one
just
is
throw
will be the what do you call it?
Mushroom.
Oh.
Oh! I
Sun
just-
mushroom. Is that a sun mushroom?
I eat it all.
Oh, okay, kids.
Plop!
Find it on your plant-based zombie encyclopedia. Okay, we don't know what so it's called. Okay, bye bye, kids. Let's eat.
Look!
Bro, let's eat.
I'm a bird in the plant versus so.
Ubus agad. Ubus agad. Oh. Wait, ay, natam.
Wait.
Oh. Next. Hey guys, this is so.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, sorry for the camera. We don't have a sunny.
I still not
It's
finished.
over, you little kid. It's over now, okay? Let's
Oh.
eat this cabbage pulp.
How could I
Sorry,
do
bro.
here?
Let's put it right on the camera.
Bro.
And this cabbage was smiling while
You cannot see it.
smile
cannot.
while we eat it. Hey! Don't touch
You cannot
the
see it. I
camera.
put here.
No, don't touch the camera.
Because. Oh my god, I cannot see it. You cannot see the cabbage.
Okay.
La, 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 la.
Hey, it's my turn.
No, you have no chance. You have no chance. You have no chance. You have no chance, I said.
That's cabbage. Make my stomach roll. You also?
Yes.
Okay.
I learned
Let's
this.
just another one. Oh, this is.
Oh my god.
This is the
Woo! You
favorite of
forgot
rabbit.
it's a launcher.
Hey, don't talk so much.
It's Tyler Tennis. He's fighting. Rah.
Close your eyes. All spunk is cabbage. Okay.
This is my food.
Next, our food will be
um,
this one. Cactus. Ah! Hey, hey, stop. That's finishing.
We cannot.
Be careful, kids. First, if you want to eat a cactus, you need to remove its thorn, okay? Because it has lot of thorn. Hey, hey, ow, 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 ow. I think, kid, this thorn was now empty. It pulled on my body. Alright, let's eat now.
Watch out for the giant.
Please.
I'm a drago.
delicious.
I'm a bird.
It looks like we eat lot of water. Hey, what?
He's super ugly.
Next,
Yes, some
there's
power.
some flour and it's yours.
No,
Let's-
we share. We share.
yeah. No, no,
Share,
no.
share, share. Share, share.
No, I don't want to share.
Share,
There's
share.
some flour. We eat it.
No. That's mine. That's mine. That's mine. Okay.
I'm still hungry, kids.
I
I
want
want to eat. Kiddo.
I want to kill. I'm still hungry. I want to eat. Ah!
I think someone is on our back. I'm scared now.
Oh my god. Ah! Hello. I'm back. Ow!
Nom, 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 nom. Ah, it's empty now.
That's
Next,
giant.
we have
Walnut.
and this me. This mine. 2 hours later.
Wow! Ow! Ow!
So I
Wow! I eat it so easily. Ow! 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 Ow!
I think the sunflower PLDC now. Oh no, hindi. Ay, here, sunflower. You PLDC, right? Hey, hey, hey. We're always happy. And there it is. The sunflower PLDC. Hey, hey.
This is walnut, not
Hey!
sunflower.
What do you do?
I'm gonna eat it
PLDC.
all. I'm not
let's eat
gonna
it.
give you one.
Ah. We eat all of it.
I want to eat
Okay.
all of
Next.
this.
I need some coconut cannon.
No, we need this. We need this. We need this.
No,
Veggies.
yeah, it doesn't have lip.
Ah, that's good.
We need that coconut cannon. Boom! Yeah! I'm sorry, kids.
I'm gonna protect you. Ouch! Hello.
Hey kids, our next food is melon pulp and
We're not gonna eat that.
No,
This is the
stop it.
first one.
discharge this one. This one,
I'm gonna crack
ah,
this spice.
it's hot. It's spicy. It's only for adults, not for kids like that
How?
one. Hey!
Ah,
This one.
it's so spice!
I'll spike you again, okay?
Yeah.
So be good boy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's eat now. Oh, when you want to eat me? Because you're a food, right? And food's supposed to be eaten.
Ow.
Right, sis?
Ow.
Hey! Why you're not talking?
What? I'm eating. I'm
Okay,
busy.
let's eat now.
Oh, oh,
My face
Ow.
didn't stop me.
I cannot eat this properly. Ow.
Oh
Are you
no! I think I love it. I think I didn't.
Oh. Guys, he's gay.
I
Find
think
out
I
in
found
the
your
next
new mom.
episode.
I think this will be your new mom. I love you. I love
I
you.
hate you.
No, no, don't touch my new wife. I love you. Mom. I love you. You're my new wife. Bye,
Guys,
kids.
find out in the next episode. He's ugly. I'm not so finished. This is first. This is.
Hey, hey, Chris,
It's
tell
not
me.
still finished. You're not still ready. You're not still ready.
Ah, kids.
You want me to
There's
be
someone
yours?
talking here. What?
You want to be to yours?
No, never mind. Oh, there's a point.
Okay. And this is mine. Oh my god. Guys, I think there's a dog.
Ah!
Father! No! Please eat me. Wow! I'm a bird! I'm free! I gotta fly!
I have an idea. Hey, hey, come here, little kiddo. Come here, come here. I have an idea. Come here. Oh, I'll hug you. And here you go. Ah, and it's time to eat.
Hey! 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 You're my papa. I'm gonna forget your name. Hey, Father.
You're safe and I'm full. That's what I did. Okay. Bye-bye, kids.
No!
What's your favorite food in Pepper Zombie? Comment down below. Bye-bye, kids. Oh, what that noise? What that noise? I thought we don't have a food now. I thought we eat all of the vitamin. Did you see that? Oh no. Oh no.